Today we will learn about answering word problems in scientific notation. First, let's review place value. As we start from our decimal point and move to the left, we go through the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, and 100 billions place values. These keep going on to the left. To the right of the decimal place, we have similar place values, except they end with THS, so the tenths, hundredths, and thousandths places. Since we are looking at scientific notation, we need to know how to write these as a number times 10 to a power. If you look down here, this row, it tells you what power you are multiplying by if you have a number in that position. So for instance, if we were to look at a 5,000s, then we would have 5 times 10 to the 3, because the 5 is in the thousands place. Now, let's consider an example. Scientists believe that Earth is 4.54 billion years old and Mars is 4.6 billion years old. How much older is Mars than Earth? Well, that means we need to put the age of Mars first, 4.6 billion, which, if we think about the place value we just looked at, would be 4.6 times 10 to the 9th. Since we want to know how much older or how much more, we're going to need to subtract the age of Earth, which is 4.54 billion, or 4.54 times 10 to the 9th. Since the exponents are the same, we can subtract the coefficients, 4.6 minus 4.54, and we will get a 0.06. Then our answer is 0.06 times 10 to the 9th. However, this is not proper scientific notation. In order to change it to proper scientific notation, we will need to move the decimal place to the right 2 places. And since we are increasing the value of the coefficient, we will need to decrease the value of the exponent by the same amount. So our final answer is 6 times 10 to the 7th. We could check this by writing out the numbers in standard notation. 4.6 billion is 4,600,000,000, and 4.54 billion is 4,540,000,000. When we subtract, we are left with 60 million, which, if we convert this back to scientific notation, would be 6 times 10 to the 7th power. So we know that we have done this correctly. Next, let's look at a different example. Mercury is about 36 million miles away from the Sun, while Neptune is 2.8 billion miles from the Sun. How many times further away from the Sun is Neptune than Mercury? Make sure you round to the hundredths position. Since we want to know how many times further Neptune is, then that means we need to start with 2.8 billion and divide by 36 million. 2.8 billion is 2.8 times 10 to the 9th, and 36 million is 36 times 10 to the 6th. In this case, we are going to first divide our coefficients. 2.8 divided by 36 gives us 0.07, and the 7 repeats. Now let's look at the exponents. If we have 10 to the 9th power divided by 10 to the 6th power, we're going to end up with 10 to the 3rd power. So right now our answer is 0.07 repeating times 10 to the 3rd. Keep in mind, this is not proper scientific notation, so let's change it to proper scientific notation. In order to do this, we will need to move our decimal 2 places to the right. Since we are making our coefficient bigger, we will need to make our power smaller. So what we now have is 7.7 repeating times 10 to the first. This has not been rounded, and our answer needs to be rounded. So let's do that. Well, the hundredths position is the second place after the decimal, so if we take 7.7777 and so on, and round it, we will get 7.78 times 10 to the first power.